Kids can do amazing things when they're given the chance. And that's what KidZania is all about. KidZania, the only place in the world where a kid can think, work, play, and feel like an adult.
I am a journalist.
I am an archaeologist.
I'm a police officer.
It's an action-packed adventure in a hyper-real, kid-sized city, complete with streets, buildings, shops, and vehicles. And all the excitement, all the drama, and all the thrills of the real world.
I'm a detective. I am a chef. I am an athlete.
At KidZania, realistic role-playing is put to work, igniting imaginative minds and taking teamwork to a whole new level. The journey to KidZania begins the same way many adult adventures do, at an airport. From there, the fun takes off in every direction. There are nearly 100 fun, challenging, authentic, and awe-inspiring roles for kids to play at KidZania. Designed by educators and developed to match school curricula around the world, the highest standards of learning are employed at KidZania. That's why school groups put KidZania at the top of the list for out-of-classroom school visits.
I'm a problem solver. I'm a visionary. I am a hero.
Since its inception in Mexico City in 1999, KidZania has quickly crossed borders and cultures across the globe. KidZania is located in all regions of the world. From East, Central and Southeast Asia, to the Middle East, Africa, Europe, and the Americas. KidZania continues to grow, reaching 50 million children, touching their hearts and minds, and empowering them to make a better world. Through the eyes of a child, being an adult is a big deal. And that's why KidZania is the smartest, fastest-growing kids entertainment destination in the world today.
I am empowered.
I am inspired. I am a success.
KidZania. Get ready for a better world.